Why can't I go through, sir?
Why
You don't trust me? Please just let me go by, sir. What's going on, guys, and happy holidays. In this video I'm going to be discussing how during these holidays in the past week I made over $7,000 in cash. So yes, you guys have seen my Black Friday videos that I made this year.
Baby, look in the back.
Black Friday ain't no joke. The things I'll do for Black Friday. On top of that, I made a bunch of reselling videos in the past where I pretty much buy products for a cheaper price and then I resell them for a more expensive price. And of course, it's very easy and simple to talk about it, say I made this much amount, but I'm gonna prove it to you guys right here. So right here, this is cash that I made in the past week. And in my past videos, people have told me that this is fake money, this isn't real. In this video, I will be depositing this money to the bank. I will be going Christmas shopping. I'm gonna be spending some money, so this stack probably won't be as fat as this. On top of that, a lot of the sales that I get payments in e-transfers. Sometimes people don't want to pay me in cash, they want to pay me in e-transfers. So maybe I'll show you guys a bunch of e-transfers that I've received as well. But thanks to the holidays, I have made that. And throughout this video, I'm pretty much gonna walk you step by step how I did this, how I amounted to this much cash. I'm gonna be doing some shopping. I probably won't be showing that in the video because it's Christmas shopping, and I will be depositing most of this money. I think I'm gonna be at least depositing 5 grand in the bank, and I'll be showing you guys that whole process just to prove to you that this is real Canadian dollars. But before we get this video started, don't forget, give me a thumbs up, hit that notification bell, and smash that subscribe button. Also, let me know in the comment section if you guys have any tips or tricks for reselling. If you have any questions on how to get started, ask away in the comment section. But for now, let's get this video started. So today is Boxing Day. It's actually a few days after the video that I previously recorded when I said I was gonna go to the bank, and it turns out I didn't go to the bank. I did end up doing a lot of Christmas shopping, and I even did a little bit more shopping here where I have this camera right here. 90% of my YouTube videos have been completed on an iPhone or through my desktop cameras. So I want to test the quality between both cameras. Obviously this camera right here, the quality is going to be so much better. So I'm going to be recording and using both these cameras, and then I'll be switching from scene to scene, and maybe you guys will notice the difference in quality from both videos. Back to business. Let's talk business right now. So the other day I had about 7,000 cash, a little more than 7,000 cash, and I probably said I was going to deposit some of that in the bank. I was thinking that I was going to have less money now. It's Boxing Day. I'm going to spend a lot of money for Christmas, this and that, which I did end up spending a lot of money. But at the same time, like I've said multiple times in the past, holidays are usually the most busiest days. So I actually ended up making a lot of sales. All those PlayStation 4s from Black Friday I ended up selling. I had a lot more other products to sell, and now I have even more money, which is now closer to 10 grand. And unfortunately today for Boxing Day, I'm gonna have to purchase with cash. Yesterday on Christmas Day, I have a new business plan, a new business idea, and I've made a lot of purchases online, and unfortunately my credit card got blocked because they are purchases that I've never made before in the past. So if you guys want to figure out what these purchases are, you guys got to stay tuned. A new method of making money from home, and to me this is the easy way of making money. Pretty much every way that I make money, whether it's making YouTube videos, whether it's reselling, whether it's day trading, swing trading on the stock market, whether it's being a landlord, any one of my incomes, I think they're very easy to do. You can do them from home and they don't require a lot of labor. Okay, I'll see you at Petro Canada then.
Alright.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
And on top of that, it is Boxing Day and I'm still making sales, so this stack will continue to get bigger. I literally haven't taken any days off in the holidays. Christmas Day I was making sales, Christmas Eve I was making sales, and even on Christmas Eve right at midnight I went and delivered a PS4 Slim, and I charged them an extra $25 for a delivery because it was Christmas Eve. Now it's Boxing Day, I'm still making sales during Boxing Day. So I'm about to go Black Friday shopping right now. My question is, how much cash do I bring? Because I'm not that crazy to the point where I'm gonna walk around with this much cash. I don't think I'm gonna spend that much at Walmart. The deals this year are not that great at Walmart. And of course, by the time that this video has been posted, all this money will be deposited in the bank or spent or stolen. I have two options. I could take the car or I could take the bike. So, ooh, steaks. So yeah, let's take the baby. Let's see how she starts. She's probably been cold and not. It's not bad. So we're just pulling up to Walmart right now. A lot of the good deals are probably sold by now, and that is my fault for not waking up early and going in as soon as possible. But at the same time, when I do these kind of things, I want to enjoy my time. I don't want to have to be tackling people, fighting people for deals. Lining up for hours. Just remember, like, this is all taking up time. So if you're making a certain amount of money, also track how much time you're wasting making that money. For instance, when I was doing the Black Friday shopping, I finished all that shopping in around 3 hours, and from that Black Friday I've made over $1,000 in profit. So 3 hours, $1,000 in profit sounds good. They don't even have no carts. Excuse me, those carts, they don't work?
Not working, these are.
So there's no carts at all? I'm not even supposed to go shopping if I don't have a cart. Because if I do get a lot of stuff, I'm definitely gonna need a cart. So do you guys have like accessory for this camera right here?
You gotta help whoever.
She is just telling me to go over to help her with the picture.
There.
Listen to me carefully.
Before anything happens, I gotta get a cart. So let's find a cart today. Here's my cart. Get it right now. Has my name written on it. Don't kill me, sir. Don't kill me. Honestly, since my cart's looking kind of full, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pay for this. I'm gonna fill this up in my car, and then I'm gonna come back and fill up this cart again. People are looking at me like I'm crazy. Nice. I'm coming back for more. My cart's full.
Really?
Yeah. I just want to fill my car up, come back. Yeah, you could scan them all. 4 printers. Once again, the real test is gonna be when I leave. Is security gonna stop me? Yeah, no, I know. But I always get stopped because I always walk out with a lot of stuff. Oh. It's common. My subtotal is, that's actually pretty cheap. $433.
Thank you. Printers and 3 TVs.
Oh, moment of truth. Why can't I go through, sir?
Why
You don't trust me?
No, it is not a matter of trust.
What do you mean? I paid. I'm a good customer. I come here all the time, and I pay every time. And then every time you guys stop me. Is it because I don't look trustworthy? All those people, they're going by. How about me, sir?
TV only TV.
Please, just let me go by, sir. I'm joking here. Good?
Good.
There you go. Every time.
What's it, like a company?
No, like I have a channel. So today I'm gonna purchase a bunch of these, and I'm gonna wait for the deal to be off and then sell them.
Oh, that's a good business. What about the hot pots in the front?
The what?
The Instapots.
The Instapots? How much are they retail? 59?
60 bucks right now.
60 bucks, and how much is the regular price?
No, I think 138.
138? So it's like 50% off. For now, I'm gonna probably purchase, who knows how many of these.
Let's see how many I can fit. 1, 2, 4. I'm just gonna browse around. Thank you though.
Nice guy right there.
And let's get 4, let's get 5. You know if I get
Let's get 6. So I already bought 4 plus 6, that's 10. And just like that, all the TVs are sold. So 203.69 for all these printers. So as you guys can see, my car is jam-packed. Got everything filled, even my passenger seats filled. I literally have no space. So today was a lesson in itself. Sometimes you have to adjust to situations. I was hoping Boxing Day we would have the same deal as Black Friday. I was gonna get a bunch of PS4s. It would have been a simple Black Friday, no risk, because for me, I'm overly confident when it comes to selling game consoles. There was literally no amazing deal except for these printers. As you can see right behind me, I'm literally jam-packed in my car, filled with printers, a couple TVs, because I saw some really good deals on pressure cookers. 1 second. Yes, hello?
Hi, bro. I was wondering, wondering that you have the iPhone 7 Plus, right?
Yes, I have an iPhone 7 Plus for sale. Yeah, you could come anytime. I could text you the address and then you can come pick it up if you want.
Okay, bro. So I will be there by like 8:30 or 9, okay?
Yeah, that's fine. I'll wait for you.
Okay, bro. Thank you.
No problem. Bye. And the great thing about doing these flips is there's absolutely zero risks, because what happens if you don't sell a product, the only thing you have to worry about is remembering the exact day you bought that product and returning it 15 days or 30 days after, depending on which company you bought it from. So I'm back from Boxing Day shopping, and unfortunately Boxing Day was nowhere near as good as Black Friday. But on the positive side, I did find new products that I will be testing out. And the best thing about this is I will be testing everything out with 0% risk. And the reason why I'm testing it out with 0% risk is because of these receipts. So for as long as I have these receipts, I get like a little trial. I get to test out a product. I get to post it online. I get to post it on as many websites, as many platforms as possible to try to sell these products for more than what I paid for. So the first product I'm going to talk about is this Canon printer, and they were on sale for $29.99, so 30 bucks. I paid about 30 something bucks for these printers, and I'm pretty confident they're brand new. I could sell them for minimum 60 bucks. Even like I'll post them up for 100, and I'll accept any offer from 50 and up. The second one is these 32-inch TVs. I got them for $89.99. I used to sell TVs as well, and 32-inch TVs, I feel like I could sell them for like $150, $140, make $50 profit. I only bought 3 of them just to test it out. Tomorrow I'm gonna go back and try to purchase some pressure cookers, because those were like, I think they were more than 50% off. And yeah, I'm just gonna buy 2 of them just to test them out. This Boxing Day was pretty much just an experiment. I'm trying out things that I've never tried before. Sometimes you gotta adapt to new things. So today's the moment of truth, the day that I will be depositing this much into the bank, and I'm only going to be depositing $5,000 to see whether these bills are real or fake. And I'm going to be keeping this for now and maybe depositing this into another account. I'll be doing something else with it. Obviously, I'm not going to talk about what I'm going to do with the rest of this money on camera. Maybe reinvest it, put it into my portfolio. I'm going to show you guys the transaction of this whole thing, and you guys are going to see whether all this money is real or whether it's fake. Moment of truth, I'm at the bank, made all the money. Now I'm just gonna deposit it right here. Yeah, you can take it. 4,700. Yeah, unless it should have been 5,000, but I guess not. For the $5 charge. And there's my customer receipt, $4,700 deposited into the bank right here.